Hi everyone, welcome to Beauty First in 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie. I'm excited to have you on my channel, and I love all things makeup and beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing my many bags that I got at Bath&Body Works. So if you're not familiar, Bath&Body Works releases its Halloween collection, which is always awesome, usually in late July. This year it came out on July 24th, and it sells out very quickly, long before we ever approach anything in Halloween. So we'll unbox some of the things that we got, and then I will put links down in the description box down below of all of the items so that you can purchase them. If they're no longer available on Bath & Body Works, which I think might be the case for one of the items that I just checked, then I will link other places that you can find those items. So let's dig in. So the first thing I have here, which I was very excited, they were still had in my store when I got it the other day. And so this is a candle holder. And so if you can see that, I'll put it over here so it's a little bit easier to see. But you've got kind of this dancing skeleton, and then on the top here is where your candle would sit. But it's great, and this also glows in the dark. I haven't tried that, obviously, but I'm excited to see this. And this is $39.95, and that's how much it was. So if you are, this is the one item that I had trouble seeing on the website, but it was still available in some stores. So I went into my store, and although it was unavailable online, I was able to pick this up. And I'm gonna pair this with one of their 3-wick candles. And this candle retailed for $26.95, but keep in mind, prices at Bath & Body Works, if you have a coupon or it's Tuesday, it could be very different. So double check everything. But I got this Ghoul Friend 3-wick candle. And this, man, I can smell it from here. I wish you guys could smell this. It's kind of a fruity, strawberry, floral, maybe with a little hint of citrus. But you can see here, it's got kind of the same sort of dancing skeletons. So I thought this would pair really nicely with the candle itself, if I put it on correctly so you can actually see it. So I thought that was a really nice combination. So I got that. And then to go with that, I also got this, it's a fragrance holder, and this is the Witch's Gem fragrance holder, fragrance mist holder, fine mist, I think is what it's called. So I'll show you there. She's got like the ring on, obviously the black nails there, and then it's like she's coming up out of these rocks. This retailed for $24.95. This is another one that is currently still available in stores and online, but you're gonna need to run, not walk, to get these items because, like I said, they came out in July, and so they are selling out very fast. And I paired this one with, so it's meant to be a holder for a fine fragrance mist. So I got the same thing that I got the candle in. This is called Ghoul Friend, but the thing that I love the most is they've got this like skeleton cameo, and I thought that was just everything. So you're gonna put the candle in here, and then this kind of holds it. And I also thought this color was nice because it matches most kind of the overall aesthetic of the fragrance holder. So this is great. And this smells just like the candle. So it's got kind of that floral, but also citrusy scent. It's really pretty. I tried it out in the store. It doesn't have the longest lasting power, so you're probably gonna get a couple of hours out of this, but it was a really nice fragrance, and I really enjoyed that. The other thing I got was, so they have a lot of these little mini pocket bags. This one is vampire blood, and they had a bunch more of these, but I just stocked up on a bunch of fall ones that were all pumpkin and other pumpkin things, so I just got this one. And then one of the cutest things I saw when I was there is this, and this is in their fall collection, so this just came out, and this was $14.95, but this is, like a makeup holder, it's actually pretty roomy inside, but I just thought that was really cute. And because it has a handle, I also think it technically could be a purse. You could probably put a chain on this as well, and wear it as a crossbody. So this, adorable. Highly recommend you get this. But all of these items I will link in the description box down below, where you can find them to order. And also please hit subscribe. I am so excited to see you here, and I release videos every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The other side of my channel is actually NFL football. I know, makeup, beauty, and football, they go together really well. So those get released on Sundays, unless there's a Thursday game, and then they're released on Thursdays as well. So I'm a busy person on YouTube, so I encourage you to hit subscribe, and happy shopping.